In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to craft the perfect email. This tutorial is designed to guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you not only get the job done, but do it with ease and confidence. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you're new to the platform, it's a quick process to create an account. Now, you're ready to start your first interaction with ChatGPT. In the chat box, you'll want to type your request clearly. For instance, maybe you're hoping to write a formal email to your professor, Dr. Martinez, requesting an extension on your research paper due next Monday. You should type that request in full detail into the chat. The key here is clarity. The more explicit you are about what you need, the better ChatGPT can help you. Another helpful hint is to include specific details in your prompt. Let's say you need to email your client, Sarah Collins, to confirm a meeting. Be sure to mention all the details. For example, meeting at the downtown cafe this Friday at 3 p.m. By providing these specifics, you're allowing ChatGPT to give you a draft that is closer to what you have in mind. Once you've got those basics down, consider the tone and style of your email. Ask ChatGPT to adjust these according to your needs. For example, you might want the email to sound friendly, but still maintain a professional edge. This ensures the communication resonates with your recipient while preserving the appropriate level of formality. After ChatGPT has generated your email draft, take a moment to review it. Read through carefully to ensure it captures your intent and includes all necessary details. When you're satisfied with the wording and format, copy this text and paste it into your preferred email platform, whether that be Gmail, Outlook, or any other service you use. Before you hit send, you're going to want to make any final personal adjustments. This might include adding attachments if you have any documents to share, or simply inserting your email signature. These small tweaks are what personalize your email, making it truly yours. Finally, take a moment for one last read-through. Make sure everything is just as you want it. And when you're completely satisfied with your craft, go ahead and click send. Congratulations, you've just utilized ChatGPT to enhance your email writing efficiency. With a few simple steps, you've mastered the skill of using ChatGPT for your email needs. This process not only saves you time, but also ensures your communication is effective and polished.